What's up everyone, Crimshot here, and I'm going to be reacting to Tensei Shitara Slime Datta episode 5, or also known as That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. Um, last time, Slime Rimuru, he got there to Dwarfgon with Gopta. They had a bit of a run-in with some trouble at the gate, but they were able to make it inside. They helped out these fellow dwarves, and it turns out that the guard who was watching over them in the prison took him to like a master blacksmith dwarf. I think his name was Kaijin. Anyway, uh, Kaijin was having trouble with himself, but then Slime, he just took the best sword that Kaijin had and then just copied it using his ability. And then he was done. He didn't have any more hassle. He could do whatever he want, as far as I know. And yeah, got some elf action in the last one. That was a lot of boobs. I'm not complaining, but that was quite a bit. And yeah, I think now they're gonna meet up with the Dwarf King. I forgot the Dwarf King's name, but yeah, let's just get right into it. Hero King Gazel Dwargo. Oh, we're still at the elves. Oh, always sucking up to the bosses. He's still underneath those same set of boobs. Well, he's sleeping. He doesn't care. Oh, he's so he, he's so disappointed. The person he's destined to be with. I I can't remember, but maybe it shows the girl. Is it gonna show the girl? I'm pretty sure it shows the girl. Where is she? She has the mask. No. That's the girl. I forget who those guys are. But yeah, that's the girl. She's the one that wears the mask, I think. Spoiler alert, by the way. Oh, it's the guy who issued the order to Kaijin, the Minister Vesta. Yeah, he did. That's why he's so uppity. A highbrow establishment like this. Why'd she go under? Doesn't that thing come up? Oh. Yeah, you just got the elf wet. Oh. Why was he holding the side of his cheek? Didn't Kaijin nail him right in the okay, you know what? Never mind. I could have sworn that he punched him right in the face, not on the side, the first punch, but that was definitely on the side. The other side. Oh yeah. Yeah, Kaijin's cool. Yeah, because Kaijin punched the minister, he's in trouble. Yep. Just a little scolding. Just a little. Yep. Really? They're trying to chain up his slime. Oh, they took all of them. Damn it, Gupta. Nah, it's alright. The minister was asking for it. Mm, mm. I knew it. Yeah, why is the minister on your butt the whole time? Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, yeah. Kaijin was close to the king. Hmm. What is that? Really? Oh, I don't remember this at all. This whole thing with the robot? Magi Soldier Project. Hmm. 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 I think he still gets chewed out. Minister Vesta. I think he still gets chewed out from the king himself, maybe. There's more than one cell. I mean, if they put some of them in the other ones, at least they'd have beds. Oh, and now he wakes up. You can't even see the faces, so it just looks like statues or something. Just empty armor on the side. I like how they still try to chain him up. Oh, here's the king, Gazel. Yeah, he looks pretty tall for a dwarf, though. Yeah, he doesn't look like a dwarf at all. No. Mm-hmm. The king doesn't buy it, though, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's bullcrap. Well, at least it's half. Okay, they're not just empty armor. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Kaijin and the Gazel are friends. If if the king is a dwarf, I'm wondering if Minister Vesta is a dwarf as well. Even though they're not short, it makes me wonder. Hmm. Yeah, see, he is getting chewed out by the king. The slime, dude. Yes, cry, feel shame. At least he knows now. Oh, he wore glasses back then. Where's his glasses now? Do they have contacts in this world? I mean, the whole Magi Soldier thing seemed way more advanced. It looked like robots and stuff. Uh, Even when the robots started walking and the like wires are coming off, you see like electrical discharges and it seemed a bit too advanced for this world in a way. But they say Magi Soldier, so it's done by magic. Yeah, that's right. The king is wary of the slime, Urimuru. He knows it. In a way, it kind of was Vedora because Vedora is inside Rimuru. Yeah, it's over. Alright, that was my reaction to Tensei Shitara Slime Datekan episode 5. And yeah, they saw the king, Gazel, and he saw through all the bullshit. He saw through it all. Um, Made Vesta feel like an idiot. That whole thing, that whole flashback where Vesta was doing these projects, experiments. You got like these robots thing going on, and that whole scene, the coat and everything he was wearing, it looked so not part of this world. Like it should have been in a more modern world type of deal. But this is like Dungeons and Dragons type of era that we're talking about. So, but they kind of cover it up saying it's Magi Soldier, so it's used with magic, but I don't know. The look of it didn't give off so much magic. It's you got wires going on and everything, but who knows? I remember the Vesta guy. I think later on he comes around. I don't know why he comes back, but he comes back later on for some reason. But yeah, better than being sentenced to the mine and in prison for 20 years. Kaijin got off. Him and his crew for just being exiled, you know. And yeah, they're on their way back to the village, and hopefully we get to see. We're either going to see either the Onis or ogres. Again, I forget which or what they are exactly, but it's either we meet up with them next, or it's the girl from the beginning. She's gonna she's gonna come back in the picture. She was actually in the orb. That was the girl. I'm not gonna spoil her backstory. They'll probably explain it when Rimuru meets up with her, and I forget It was kind of random how they met up, I think. But they meet up and they realize that they were both reincarnated or something from Japan, because she was the girl at the very beginning. So she died, I believe, and when she did, she got reincarnated in that world. But that was like a long time ago. But then she's like still kind of no. I I can't remember from the manga, but I remember it was like she was she's got quite a bit of years on her, even though she looks that young. And ooh, look at that hairdo. And yeah, I'm not gonna spoil. I want to say it, but I don't want to spoil it on what happens to her and Rimuru. But yeah, I wanted to get to that part already, and the part where he meets up with the Oni, because I'm pretty sure, I forget why, but the Oni, that'll just be a spoiler. I'm sorry. I'll just keep my mouth shut for now. I kind of gave away some spoilers. It was like very, very vague, I believe, throughout this episode, if I said any. I'm pretty sure I said one, but it in the end it was like in the same episode. The answer or what I said, like I proved myself within the same episode if I was right or wrong with the spoiler or not. But anyway, that's all I have to say for this one. I can't wait for the next one, and catch you guys in the next one. Man, I suck at this. What shoots.